Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure financial goals with Ally Bank, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Ally Bank website or open the Ally mobile app. Log in to your account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the savings section from the main menu. Look for an option labeled Financial Goals or Goal Setting. Click on that option to get started. You'll see various categories for financial goals, such as saving for a vacation, emergencies, or education. Select the category that best fits your needs. Next, enter the total amount you want to save for your chosen goal. Specify a target date by which you want to reach your goal. The platform will suggest a monthly savings amount based on your inputs. Review the suggested amount and adjust it if necessary. You can also set up automatic transfers to help you stay on track. Choose the frequency of these transfers, such as weekly or monthly. Confirm your selections and proceed to finalize your goal setup. Once completed, you can track your progress through the savings dashboard. Consider revisiting your goals regularly to adjust as your financial situation changes. Utilize any budgeting tools provided by Ally Bank to complement your goals. Finally, celebrate milestones as you reach them to stay motivated. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.